Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to see who shared your Instagram reel. First of all, just open up the Instagram application in your mobile, then simply tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now on your profile page you want to find this specific reel you are curious about. Scroll down until you find it, then give it a tap. Underneath your reel you will see few icons. One of them looks like the arrow pointing to the right. That's the share icon. You will see how many people shared your reel. Now here is the tricky part. Instagram doesn't have an option right now to let you see who exactly shared your reel. So while you can see how many people shared it, you won't know who they are. Well, that's all for today. While Instagram may keep the shares a mystery for now, they might surprise us with an update in the future. There are the videos on YouTube or the apps on Play Store who told you that they can let you know who shared your reel, but that's a mess. Don't go with that. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.